See students, see the next exercise, that is 3.2, 3.4. Tell whether the following is certain to happen, impossible can happen but not certain. Means what is the question given, that we have to tell whether it's certain or uncertain, not certain. See first one, you are older today than yesterday. Means it is certain or no? You are older than yesterday means yesterday we were younger and today we are older than yesterday, so it is certain. Second is, a tossed coin will land head up, can happen but not certain. Means it can be, if we toss a coin, any side can come, it can come head or it can come tail, so it is not certain. Like if we throw a dice, so any face can come, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 on it, any side can come. It is not certain that if we want 5 then 5 will only come. It is not possible, it can come any number. See, the next traffic light will be green. The next traffic light will be green, can happen but not certain. Means if we are standing on a signal and then we are assuming that if the signal will start, then it will show green line, so at that time it can be certain, but every time it is not possible to have the green light. If we are moving, then it will not show green or yellow or red light, it is going to show the whatever the traffic rules according to the signal. Tomorrow will be a cloudy day. Means if we are assuming that tomorrow will be a cloudy day, it can be, means वो हो भी सकता है, कल बारिश हो भी सकती है, cloudy हो भी सकती है, नहीं भी हो सकती है. So it can be, it is a possibility, हो सकता है, नहीं भी हो सकता है, so it is not certain. See the next question. There are 6 marbles in a box with number 1 to 6 marked on each of them. 6 marbles. What is the possibility of drawing a marble with number 2? Means it can, what is the possibility of marble? Means हमारे पास marble है, 6 marble है, तो उसकी क्या possibilities हो सकती है. So first we are going to write the probability, number of favorable outcomes plus number of divide by number of possible outcomes. This is the formula for possibility. So it can come like 2, 1 upon 6 it can come, or second, a pair of 2 can be 1 upon 6. And secondly, what is the possibility of drawing a marble with number 5? It can come again 1 upon 6. Appearance of 5 will be 1 upon 6 again. Means उस पर कितना भी आ सकता है, ज़रूरी नहीं है कि हमको जो नंबर चाहिए वही आना चाहिए, उसमें कुछ भी आ सकता है, कोई भी नंबर आ सकता है. So just you have to see the possibilities in this. Same way coin, जैसा मैंने बोला coin का. So अगर हम लोग 2 फ्रेंड्स खेल रहे हैं तो हम बोलते हैं अरे मेरा टेल आएगा, तेरा हेड आएगा, तो इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल कि जो मैं बोलूँ वही आए, उसका भी आ सकता है. मीन्स इट कैन कम आइदर ऑफ द साइड. सेम वे विद द डाइस, अगर हम डाइस थ्रो कर रहे हैं तो 1 to 6 नंबर में से कोई भी नंबर आ सकता है. See the third question is, a coin is flipped to decide which team starts the game. What is the possibility of your team will get? Means it can come head or tail. As I told you, it can come anything, it can come head or tail. So again we have to do same thing, possibility, number of favorable outcomes and number of possible outcomes. Means how many outcomes can come? 2. Why 2? Because only head and tail is there, so 2 outcomes upon 1. So possibility will be, our team starts first will be 1 upon 2. So possibility can come that पहले head भी आ सकता है और पहले tail भी आ सकता है. Understood? See, fourth question is also same. A box contains pair of socks of 2 color, black and white. I have picked one white socks. I pick out one more with my eyes closed. What will be the possibilities? Means there are two color black and white socks, pair of socks. So there are 2 possibilities. एक तो हमने अगर एक ऑलरेडी उठा लिया है, एक ब्लैक है और एक वाइट है. इफ़ वी हैव टेकन वन, देन only one will be left. So it can be observed that while closing the eyes you can draw either black socks or either white socks. There are two possibilities, मतलब दो possibilities है, आंख बंद करके या फिर तो हम white socks उठाएंगे या फिर तो black उठाएंगे. Means there are only two choices. So again possibility will be number of favorable outcomes divided by number of possible outcomes. So possibility will be कि हम दोनों में से कोई भी एक उठा सकते हैं. So it will be 1/2, means either we will pick the white one or either we will pick the black one. Possibilities from 2 we have to choose 1. Understood? It is very easy, just you have to see the possibilities. अगर मार्बल है तो there will be 6 में से कोई भी एक आएगा तो 1/6. Coin is there so 2/6. Dice is there, again 6 नंबर है तो 6 में से कोई भी आ सकता है. So this is the possibility. पूरा मतलब पॉसिबिलिटी पे है कि कोई भी नंबर आ सकता है. अंडरस्टूड? विद दिस वी हैव कंप्लीटेड अवर 3rd chapter. 4th chapter we will start with online.